delighted with. They're incredibly good value for money.
Make sure to look your best with 100 business cards for just $4.99. Plus, get a hold of free. Simply go to vistagroup.co.uk and enter promo code TV100.
Shut that door, by the way. And shut the light off, because it'll be better with this, I think, yeah. Tell you what, do you want to plug that in up there?
Sorry.
The extension, because it'll reach a little bit longer. Why are you going along? Oh,
Then I can go around the back.
very loud for an induction motor. Or
It's
it's
brushed.
It is brushed.
It's a brushed.
I'm forgetting about that. Believe it or not, this is the first Indesit like this I've seen since my Nana Rose had.
Oh really?
Yeah, she had the grey version, but the older version with a square handle.
Oh, them, yeah. My mum's friend Liz, she actually had that version.
Yeah.
The white.
That's the one I want, like I said.
The white and grey, yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, it's raining.
Oh, what a surprise. Oh, it's heating already.
There's an instant heat. 4, 3, 2, and 1 economy and 9.
Right. It's actually quite loud for a brush motor, but then I suppose it is quite old.
Yeah. But it's got an amazing spin start up.
Yeah. See, machines like this back then were scary.
That has actually walked.
Really?
That has walked.
Right. Thanks for the warning.
And he sits back.
Just realised this thing doesn't actually have a program guide on it, has it?
No. And when I went up to Mark Leslie, he actually said to me, it's like, there's actually a machine gun process and it's actually quite old, and I was like, alright, okay, cool, what is it? And it's like, it's an Indesit 860B, and it's like, it's yours if you want it.
Alright.
And I was just like, well, I was in a bit of two minds, and I'm glad I actually went up for it. And met the guy, because he's actually really nice.
Who?
Mark Leslie.
Oh, you actually met him?
I've met him. Because he's only got a Zanussi aqua cycle and a Hoover dryer. But he's also got a Beckel dishwasher.
He's had that aqua cycle for years.
Yeah. David was telling me he's going to give me a couple 8-foot fluorescent lamps. That'll be good for the bedroom.
Yeah.
Be bright than Blackpool illuminations. Yeah, it's pretty much going to be the next one's going to be a clonking drain.
Yeah.
I think it tumbles on
Does
that.
it heat to 30 or 40?
From last time I remember, I think it was about 40.
Right.
Actually, I remember the other Philip said that as well.
Yeah.
Just when you think about it, so I'm not sure if that was right or not.
Hold on, no, it's not resolved properly.
Oh,
What?
finally got the 21 WD up and running.
Oh, about time. It's not rocket science. Did you do something with the dryer?
I told them not to use it for the dryer.
Right. Huh?
Well, just this guy's got a Samsung Eco Wash thing, Eco Bubble thing.
Oh, right.
Look what I did.
Oh,
To
right.
Johnny.
Taking a photo of yourself, I thought it was taking a photo of me.
So they show me, so what I do is in the picture.
It takes me ages. And
Yeah.
the tumbles are crap. I actually thought tumbles on these were better than that, but no.
I still like it,
Yeah.
because it's like a nice decent old windows. Windows? It's a nice decent old windows.
Yeah.
Where do you think I got windows from?
No, no.
I don't know what windows that uses. Windows 3.1, Windows
No.
DOS.
Windows 8, look.
Oh yeah! That is really up to date, I must say.
It's fairly up to date, yeah.
Yeah!
Could do with better tumbles though.
If it was just that little bit longer, it would be actually decent.
Yeah.
Just an extra 3 seconds longer or something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what they ended up doing.
Ooh, just in time. Is this it during the cool down? Right.
That's what cooled down, and then it goes pretty much to about here.
You're joking.
Nope.
Right, give me that stuff. I did put the kettle on a minute ago because I was going to make a coffee, but I got a bit distracted.
Now, I would never do a thing like that.
Yeah. More than once.
What do you mean by more than once? Well, yeah, I left it in the microwave as well.
Yeah, you did, actually. That's the point.
Look at how dirty that water is.
It's not that dirty. I was expecting it to be worse.
I know. I mean, it's just like that's only been like put on for a couple of weeks, and then I had to take it back off because I had a slight accident with it.
Right. With the curry.
With the curry.
Curry stains are bastards to get off to this house.
Yeah. That's probably why it's actually quite good on that machine, because I actually wash it for about 2.25 hours.
Has it been on that long?
About that, yeah. The last time I did it, I actually washed for about 2.25 hours.
Jesus! You do realise that is siphoning. It's draining as well as filling, so you want to just push that drain hose in a bit more. It's actually draining faster than it's filling. There you go.
I forgot to put the drain pipe back in.
Oh right, is it leaked all over the floor?
Yeah.
You dimwit. Oh God, look at it. You stupid idiot.
How stupid idiot. I'm finished with it. Wait, what do you keep? You're going to get something for it.
Oh what, the rubber soles? Still fabric, I wouldn't care. If it's still,
I know what you mean.
yeah.
There was this hot bird that came in the living room. Yeah, I've actually known
That's a
that
clean
lesson
one.
for a while because when I
Is she
used
an
to-
old friend then or something as well?
Yeah, she's actually like my dad's carer, but my friend.
Oh right. What do you mean she's your friend? Is she somebody that you used to work with or something?
No, I actually met her through that James Patterson.
Oh right. Oh, that probably explains why she mentioned him.
Yeah, that's how we know each other.
Ah.
Through him. And I don't know if you've ever met him, but he's actually
Yeah, you have. I've seen him on FaceTime. Hello, Sophie. Oh, she's mad. Gone off on a mad one.
Pardon?
Sophie's gone off on a mad one.
Was she? What's she doing?
Going mad. Going running around the place.
Oh, yeah, that sounds like her.
Why didn't it use that much water to start with? It would have washed so much better. That's clean towel there.
Yeah. Just down the hole. Right, I'm back in the little mousey hole. That's one accidentally. It was actually dried quite nicely, but unfortunately one
Not
had a...
anymore. Oh, if the house falls down tonight, we know why you caused it.
Thankfully that the guy never came yesterday,
Why's that?
because he was meant to be here yesterday morning.
Oh right. When's it? Do we know when he's coming?
I think it's next week or two.
Oh right.
About 18, 19, but then yeah, from then
Right.
she and I became better friends without James because of the
Right,
fact that James is so wrapped up in Mary, and we actually excuse me. And then she was telling me some home truths about him, and then I
Oh,
told,
right.
then my dad told her some home truths, what he did to me, and then everything all came out in the wash, as they say,
Right.
through the Indesit.
Rinse one.
This is a decent rinse level.
Well, that's what they...
Well, hello, big mamas.
I knew she'd do that.
Yeah, darling. Okay, pal.
She's like, what's all this shit on the floor?
Think, Uncle Phil, get him told. I've been telling him for years and he just won't listen to me.
Yeah. Tumbles on this are just awful. I actually thought they were better than that. So inconsistent as well.
Yeah, that is a bit inconsistent. But for some bizarre reason, I do actually like that machine.
Yeah.
I know it's very barmy, but I do like it. I actually got a thing for that one. And I never actually see myself as an Indesit fan, but I actually do like.
steel as well, thinking about it.
Nice magnum or something.
Yeah, we'll go co-op and get some.
That's both magnum and
See, when this does do a spin, does it go into a distribution drain?
Yeah, I think it does actually.
Right.
Well, I think it doubles first and then distributes.
Oh, right, because I always thought these went into distribution drains.
Believe it or not, I didn't actually use it for that long.
Ah. What's the matter, Sophie? You little grumpy over there.
I'll leave you some, darling, don't you worry. Well, I think we're right, actually.
What?
I was thinking if I'd been away, but maybe Sapphire's been in the house.
Yeah, maybe. But I'm surprised he hasn't been here lately. In the whole week I've been up, he hasn't been here. Very unusual.
Is it true that people can tell when you're meant to?
Where you can change and dispose of your towels discreetly.
Times have changed. Now you can go where you want. Voted product of the year. 44 Walker.
That's only ever once actually done one balance sensor.
Did that just rebalance?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
It just shut itself down and started again.
Oh.
I know it's only done that once, so it's just like too much for it and it actually shut itself down and then restarted.
Doesn't distribute fast enough, that's why.
I know.
And it's a really heavy thing.
It's like every day you wash your mattress, isn't it?
What?
It's like every day you wash your mattress, isn't it? It does take a while for it to distribute first and then it'll ramp up.
Yeah.
But it's got a nice warm though when it first starts up.
Yeah, sounds like a hot one, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does actually, yeah.
Apparently these can be shit scary according to George. Especially when they go wrong.
Yeah. I must mention him actually, scary out.
I don't really speak to him much. I just, well, like I said, I don't talk to anyone really enough.
Yeah.
Not because I don't want to, it's just because I don't really,
Okay.
well, I just don't really like to talk to people when I finish work.
Yeah.
Or whatever, you know.
And then you get an annoying little barbecue that's annoying you.
Yeah. God, I see what you mean.
What do I mean? That was bullshit.
I'm actually surprised it's not clutch locking more.
It's not now, I love that.
Is it? I actually thought, I didn't even think about that. Is that an animal or is that plastic?
That's probably proper.
Plastic then.
That one from Linsgate 1 I had, that was actually probably proper as well.
Yeah. happy, such a cute little face.
She has. Like, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. So I'm looking just before you sneeze again.
That doesn't even look like 400 to me.
It's very small.
I think that's only 300. That is a very slow spin, yeah. It's a long spin as well.
It's been for a very long time, including even the final spin. I think that it's been so long to compensate the fact that it's been so slow. That's been awesome. I quite like that timer. There's a tiny wee tick 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 tick.
I can't even hear it anymore.
Pardon?
You did?
Eh?
Yeah. I can hear it now. It was doing a better. It was doing a proper tick earlier on when we started it.
Yeah. I think when Mark and I got it was actually sitting at like 30 or something like that. So I think it'd done like pretty much 30 for most of its life.
Yeah.
When we first got it, it was just like mouldy.
Yeah.
And it was just like bogging.
Yeah. Well, that doesn't surprise me. All machines are nowadays.
When that's had like constant like 90s. Constantly. And I do actually prefer that over a Miele.
Well, yeah, I prefer anything over a Miele, pretty much.
Unless it was like, say for example, a W716 or a 723 or something. That's a decent one. That's in the good old days when they were decent.
Yeah. I don't think that is the unbalanced sensor. I think that's a pressure switch.
Could be. Well, it's not been used for quite a while. Yeah, I think you're possibly right because I did actually. You heard it like sort of tick.
It's not out of balance, and plus
No.
it's really inconsistent. So
There was actually one time it did actually sort of like shut itself down though.
right.
Unfortunately, I wasn't filming it at the time. There was actually one time I was actually trying to hold it in as well.
What?
I was actually trying to hold the machine in.
Oh right.
I was spinning so out of balance I was actually trying to walk.
Right, it's light, that thing. I couldn't believe it.
I know. I could pick you up with my pinky.
I could probably lift it up and lift it over my... Well, no. I could probably lift it up though, that thing.
Oh yeah, you can. I actually got questioned by one of the neighbours the other day when I got it.
Yeah.
And she's like, you want a hand with that? I'll get my husband out. I was like, no, I'm fine, thanks. But it's a washer, it's heavy. It's like,
Not this one.
not this one, pal. Callum that lives the one with the Focus and the wee
Oh,
Skoda.
yeah. Oh, were you getting it from the car to here, were you?
Yeah. And she was like, "You want me to get Callum?" And I was like, "I don't know." It's like,
Yeah, that does not look like 400 to me.
we'll soon see when I get into the final spin. You'll soon see what I mean. It is very wet afterwards. I mean, it spins reasonable, but
Yeah. Because that looks more like 300 to me.
yeah.
If that. But then, you know, some drums and machines create different illusions.
Yeah, they do. I mean, it's just it's like I mean, you can actually have like say a picture where it's like the person's like moving, but they actually look standing
Yeah.
still, but the person's actually about them's actually moving.
Yeah. I'm trying to look at the machine one, but I can't actually. No, there's no way, no danger that's 400. 300 probably, actually.
Well, that one. And sometimes
I would actually say it's not even 300. I reckon that possibly is 200, maybe 250. Honestly, that Bendix LT spins faster than this.
Yeah. I like that machine.
Bread on its own.
Yeah, if you ever wanted to keep me happy, just give me slice of bread and shuts me up.
Bread on its own.
Yeah.
Oh, not again.
Oh. It's our favourite friend. But they mean that we're actually on first name terms.
Yeah. When's the wedding?
Eh?
When's the wedding? Come on. Takes so long.
They actually first got full power than that.
Really? Why was that?
Because it was full of crap.
Mm.
When it first got out, it was actually filling up to like here.
Jesus.
So, like the pressure switch was actually like 8.
Right.
Extensions were needed to serve new housing developments, and expenditure was claimed to be exceeding revenue. As part of a general rationalisation,
Oh yeah.
Service 18 was replaced in
Well.
March 1950, the buses being extended at either end. It's a replace 5 tram services and scrap 25% of the fleet. The programme began on the 1st of June 1952 with the replacement of the short but heavily used Cumley Bank line. The colour lights for the 24 were red over red. These distinctive colours
that was what's only the recorded at the time.
Yeah.
I've got funny feeling that was actually hit for 2 hours and between 2 hours and 20 and 2 hours 25 mark.
Wow. That is so long. That's basically what my Zanussi said it was supposed to take. If anything, the Zanussi is supposed to take 10 minutes longer on a pre-wash as well.
What the hell? Got 081, 20181 and then 020.
Yeah. Hmm. Funny, it didn't come out this time.
No.
No.
Yeah, I went away, so I didn't actually know.
Hmm. Come on, spin.
It's not.
Sometime this year, please.
No, not this year. Maybe next year.
Hmm.
Right, so they'll make it for it. That pump.
Yeah.
Maybe another microphonic again.
Yeah.
White, brown, whatever.
She clicked into the spin time. No, that
Yeah, it
can't.
ramps up.
Yeah, that can't be 400.
It does ramp up very shortly.
Yeah,
It takes a while, but it does ramp up.
yeah.
Right, baby? No. Baby Sobas.
Oh,
Yay. You feel she loves you.
yeah.
Yeah, I love you, Daddy. You love me.
Everything about this thing takes so long.
I've got a meal and put that head to head. I wonder which one would win.
Do you know what I actually reckon the Mila would?
I think it would actually. And that's with all the options selected.
Yeah. God, when did we put this on? Last year?
Yeah.
I think it's January 2016 already.
I thought it was 2036.
Oh, it could be that as well. What? That scared me. Yeah, there's no... That wasn't 400. Too much of a speed increase. Oh, it's going to go walkie.
Yeah, walkies.
Still the same speed. That's not 400, I swear it's not. That just doesn't seem like 400 in comparison.
It does.
It seems too much of a speed increase.
It's too slow.
Yeah. What the rapid? It's only an 800.
That's actually quiet.
A Hotwood 95 is quieter than this.
What model?
Any of them.
All of them, yeah.
It's amazing because just sticking my foot there stops it.
I know. Rest of them were like, see ya, I'm on 5.
Yeah.
I don't know. Thank you.
Oh, it doesn't unlock straight away, either.
No, it doesn't. You want to wait 2 minutes.
Boring.